This is a listening skill practice for TOEFL paper-based test. In this video, we will focus on the inferring skill. The inferring skill is an effort to reach an opinion or decide that something is true on the basis of information that is available. In listening the mini lecture, obviously, we should infer on the items of who, what, where, when, why, and how, in the basis of the information given. Let's do the inferring practice. Give your opinions about the items of who, what, when, where, why, and how, in the basis of the following images. Well, have you inferred on those images in relation with the items of who, what, where, when, why, and how? Now, let's practice to infer the information from the pre-listening practice. There will be some questions right after that. So, please give your answers.
I'd like to tell you about an interesting TV program that'll be shown this coming Thursday. It'll be on from 9 to 10 p.m. on Channel 4. It's part of a series called Mysteries of Human Biology. The subject of the program is the human brain, how it functions and how it can malfunction. Topics that will be covered are dreams, memory, and depression. These topics are illustrated with outstanding computer animation that makes the explanations easy to follow. Make an effort to see this show. Since we've been studying the nervous system in class, I know you'll find it very helpful. What is the main purpose of the program?
This segment is a listening simulation of the TOEFL paper-based test in Part C. There will be no visual support like that in the pre-listening practice. The content is purely audio recording which is taken from the original ETS audio test handbooks. After the recording, you must answer some questions related to the information of the talk.
Today's discussion is about a common animal reaction, the yawn. The dictionary defines a yawn as an involuntary reaction to fatigue or boredom. That's certainly true for human yawns, but not necessarily for animal yawns. The same action can have quite different meanings in different species. For example, some animals yawn to intimidate intruders on their territory. Fish and lizards are examples of this. Hippos use yawns when they want to settle a quarrel. Observers have seen two hippos yawn at each other for as long as 2 hours before they stop quarreling. As for social animals like baboons or lions, they yawn to establish the pecking order within social groups, and lions often yawn to calm social tensions. Sometimes these animals yawn for a strictly physiological reason, that is, to increase oxygen levels. And curiously enough, when they yawn for a physical reason like that, they do what humans do. They try to stifle the yawn by looking away or by covering their mouths.
What is the speaker's main point? According to the speaker, when are hippos likely to yawn? What physiological reason for yawning is mentioned?
In this point, we have finished the inferring skill in listening. If you have a clear idea about it, then you may go on to the next listening comprehension skill practice.